Now I'm gonna just jump into it for now. Sales scan. Alright, we need to get the sales number. It's 30 times 50. That's for sure. So usually what we do is put here equal sign point to be 2. Alright, asterisk 50. So you guys know again, asterisk is for multiplication. Alright, plus is plus sign, tolak is tolak lah. Okay, for divide, division, what sign is that? Yeah, slash. Alright, and after this can just copy, just drag downwards just like that. Or what you can do is you can double click. When you double click, your copying you stop here. You see, when it senses blank, it won't copy. It will stop where the last cell is on the left side. You must have something on the left side, otherwise you can't double click. Okay, again, I'm pressing Ctrl Z to get back. Ctrl Z is what? Is this one you want to know? Okay, this is undo button. Alright, Ctrl Y is redo. Alright, now double click. It will stop where it is. Alright, just very simple. Okay, okay, and of course I want you to come here, guys. Bubo equal sign, do a sum, double click, range everything, enter. I like you to get this 1960. Okay, okay, the box here you can ignore, you can push it aside. Now what's happening here is like this. We are going to do something called array formulas. See this? Array formulas. Now what is this all about? It's like this. Now this date here is very important. This month here, September 2018. Okay, now there's a big change from September 2018 onwards. Okay, we'll go one step at a time to see what this big change is. I am actually trying to look back at your what you chat, right? Excel version is very important here because we are all having different Excel version right here. And me is having 2019. Alright, now this year here is very important. Alright, Yokming, you won't have this feature, which we're gonna do. So just KIV right now. You're having 2007, right, me? Or is it is it Yokming? Yokming, yes. Alright,
Yes.
okay, Amira also, because you're using 2016. Okay, CK should be okay. So no Aisha, I haven't actually got your Excel version because you joined after that. So you go and check your Excel version. Now what is this all about? Alright, we proceed one at a time. Alright, now what to do now is like this. Okay, do you remember what I mentioned earlier about this tadi? Is pagi punya tadi. Ingat tak? This syntax or formula, betul? Okay. Now, this is biasa punya syntax formula. Alright, when we talk about array formulas, okay, we have another set of bracket. Sorry, let me undo this. Okay, we have another set of bracket now dekat luar, right here. Okay, this is a curly bracket. What does array formula do? The next question kan, benda apa ni? Formula biasa start from here all the way here. Array formula, you have extra curly bracket, which is this and this. Okay, let's go into array formula and see what it does. All right. Okay, you see this thing here, we got 1690. all right, we are going to get 1690 again tanpa sel-sel ini. That means secara langsung, right, kita akan memperolehi 1690 dengan array formula di sel D9 tanpa buat breakdown macam ini now. Alright, let's go and try it out. Okay, equal sign, sum. Okay, double click. Okay, so far okay. Are you guys following? Remember again, follow along training. Alright, can you range macam ni? Kemudian asterisk, range macam ni. So kita sekarang buat apa ni? We are taking unit, so the whole entire range times unit price. Okay, so far okay guys, following? Okay, good. Okay, so right now belum habis lagi. The result that you're getting right now will be different from Excel version to Excel version. Okay, I want you to enter. Remember what I say, Excel version different, Excel version different, and I want you to tell me what answer you get.
Same answer with the previous 1690.
Okay, you're using Excel version, I guess 365 or 20.
This is 5.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, everybody note that. Okay, we all have different. I'm getting 1690 because of different Excel version. Again, we are talking about this particular date here. Okay, fine. This is my formula. I'm not getting a value thingy. When you get something like hash value can hash something, hash, when you see hash it means error. Okay, now I want you to do this for the guys who are getting the error. Can you come to this cell again, press function key 2 macam ni, boleh dapat ni? I want you to use this shortcut key sekarang. Alright, control shift enter. Okay, ready? So like this control shift enter. Dapat answer tak? Can you go to your formula bar right now for those who have pressed control shift enter? Do you notice the curly bracket? Nampak tak? So this, so the curly bracket for those who have pressed control shift enter. Situasi macam ni guys, you see this curly bracket kan? Alright, it cannot be keyed in. You can't use a keyboard to press it in. You have to press control shift enter. This thing here dengan curly bracket is actually array formula. You have to control shift enter. You're gonna press it and you get the answer. Now the people who are on 365 or even 2021 Excel is already built in. You don't have to press control shift enter. The platform has changed since September 2018. Older version of Excel, you need to press control shift enter. When we talk about Excel, we always plug in the formula kan, satu per satu, cell by cell. Okay, that's biasalah kan, betul tak? Array formula is something that allow us to do mathematical functions melalui block formula berbanding kepada cell individu. Okay, I repeat array formula will allow us to multiply by one block of cells instead of multiplying individually. So array formula is like this. You see this? I multiplied this block by this block. In normal circumstances, if you are using older version of Excel, it won't work until you press control shift enter. Okay, so when you press control shift enter, you are using array formula. And what does array formula do? You are able to multiply, to subtract, to do any arithmetic function block by block. So it won't work normally, alright, without the curly bracket. You have to press Ctrl Shift Enter if you're not using Excel 365 or 2021. Okay, it won't work. Okay, alright, so like that for now.